Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a table in Google Docs. So to start with, you just need to open up the document that you want to add a table to, click onto it where you want the table, then click on Insert. The second one down, you should see Table. Scroll across, and then you got to build how many blocks you want in your table. So how many sections do you want across, how many down? Highlight that and then left click. Then your table will be created. When you have your table in your document, you can edit it from here. So you can make the sections smaller or bigger by dragging them left to right. And you can also add in other blocks by clicking into a section, right clicking, and then you can insert rows above, below, left, right, or you can delete rows and columns from there. So for example, I've added a new one there and say I want to delete this one, so I can delete that row and so on, so on. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.